Hi, I'm Kate Ginsberg, and welcome to Inspired Stories from Tubular. Today, we're going to talk through why it is so crucial to go beyond followers and subscriber counts when making partnership decisions. We have a few really powerful examples and recommendations how to assess quality over quantity in influencer partnerships. To provide the insights you need to make calculated, data-inspired decisions, we examined over 20 million videos from more than 150,000 beauty creators. This is representative of nearly 40 billion monthly views for influencer-created beauty content. Subscribers and page likes alone can distort things like audience projections and prevent you from seeing the full picture in your planning. This means you could be paying for 9 million subscribers while only 8% of those accounts are actually viewing content. The first step in recognizing an influencer's true value is getting unique viewers deduplicated across platforms. We compared two influencers' subscriber numbers against engagements, and we see two really different stories. Influencer A has nearly 25 million subscribers compared to influencer B, who has a little under 1.5. However, when you look at engagement, you can identify powerful partnerships you could have initially overlooked. So we can see that basing decisions on simple metrics like number of followers or subscribers leaves a lot out of the story. And we also need to consider what a viewer does after watching a piece of content. Consumer behaviors like what else they're watching, how they're engaging, and what they're purchasing are all additional opportunities to create optimizations. And as media and e-commerce channels evolve, the bridge between advertising and checkout is getting shorter. And only Tubular data can identify when a view converts to $1. To illustrate this, we took a look at two huge beauty influencers. At first glance, they look like they could be really similar options for a partnership. Influencer B has nearly twice the monthly unique viewers, but both have really highly leaned in, engaged audiences. But where the big difference comes in is against purchase behaviors. Influencer A, with a smaller audience, has viewers that are nearly 3 times more likely to make a beauty purchase, and also are more likely to convert across all beauty categories more frequently than Influencer B's audience. So whether you're an individual content creator, a brand looking to identify the right partnerships, or a media company developing branded content, you need to consciously address areas beyond just subscriber counts. For more insight into how to make inspired decisions that fuel business growth, click to download our Beauty and the Social Media Beast report.